Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome and welcome back to Unlock the Village, guys. Welcome to my village again. Welcome to Unlock the Village. Welcome in. If you are new here, please welcome in. Welcome to Unlock the Village. And if you are my returning subscriber, welcome. Thank you so much for always coming to Unlock the Village, guys. Today it's a morning. You can see how beautiful our village is, guys. So guys, today, as I told you, we are in harvesting time. So guys, today we are going to harvest our lice. Guess what? So guys, as I told you, we will harvest in this video. We harvest our lice, guys. It have grown. Finally, it have grown. But guys, let me tell you something I was going through this day. You have seen me without uploading any video, guys. My phone, you know, my phone is my camera, so it was full. It just refused to do anything. It was full, so I was supposed to delete everything, like deleting and removing everything so that I can record other things. And I deleted the things, guys, and I lost my 2 video I already edited in InShot. So I was very angry. I was very angry the whole week, guys, but we keep pushing, we keep going. Everything will be okay, guys. Welcome to today's video. I will harvest our lice with you together, guys. You know, we have planted it together, so we need to harvest it also together, guys. So today I will be just showing you guys how we harvest lice here and what is the process to harvest the lice, guys. The video will also be short because I have lost everything, guys. But I'd say let me just share with you the few footage I have. So guys, you can see this is the lice. It has grown already. You can see it has grown already, and you can see down there on the field, guys, there's no water. So when the lice grown, all the water, it will be like, if you can see the soil, how hard it is, and you can see the lice, guys. This is our lice. Don't mind my hand. It's because I'm in the field and I was cutting the lice. That's why it look like that, guys. This is what I was telling you. You can see how down there's no water. And guys, you remember when we planted it, there were a lot of water in it. So what we tell you that it have grown, all the water you will be mixed, and like it have to be dry. You can see it have been even dry, and it's very tall. lice, putting them in one place so that it will be easy for us to smash it. That is what I'm doing, guys, with the little girl and this man. So we need to smash it. We put it in one place so that it will be easy for us to correct it and smash it on this place. So that is how we remove the lice on this grass. You just smash it on that small tree. Then when it's done, you put the grass away. You see what I'm doing, guys. Then you take other bunch of lice, then smash it, guys. You can see the little kid also were trying to smash it with a stick. They are helping us, guys. You have seen, guys, living in a village, you have to be strong. You have to be strong, because here, guys, we do everything ourselves, and we enjoy doing it, guys. We don't complain. We enjoy doing our things because we grow up doing it. So there's nothing new. There's nothing new, but it's a good one, guys. Imagine as we don't buy lice. You can see now as it's harvesting time, the things that stay complicated in this is so that we can eat our lice. After smashing it like that, we will just keep putting it on the sun so that it will be more dry, because you can see some are dry and other have like those green grass. So it means it's already grown, but you need to keep. You can see there is some that are even green, so that's why you need to keep putting it on the sun, so that all of it will be dry. Then after it being dry, we will just use our mortar and pestle. If you remember the way I was pounding the cassava leaves, we pound it also with the mortar. I will show you. I think also I can show you how we pound lice also, guys. So that is the only things that will be remaining after us harvesting our lice. Then we will start enjoying our lice without buying. Like city people, you always buy, but for us, no, it's harvesting time. So you are welcome in the village to enjoy the lice, guys.